Over the past 2 days, we have made our way from Tapalpa, on the right side of the map, through some rough topography in the backcountry, until we made it up the Nevado de Colima volcano. There was a particularly steep part with rough and raw topography on this section, right outside of Tapalpa, that made up the last half of day 2 of our travels. Even the road to the top of the volcano was easy compared to the road through what I've humorously called Death Valley, as each time we've gone through, something has happened to delay us by hours.
Yeah, but in a lot of states in the U.S. to drink, you have to be 21. And so it's supposed to be, it's the first time you can go to a bar and show your real ID instead of the one you have that shows you 3 years older. But you don't strike me as a bar hound.
No, I don't like drinking.
You'll learn. I'll give you lessons.
Don't let him do that.
You can start your years of dissipation.
No corrupting the youth, Peter.
1 more year.
No corrupting the youth, Peter.
I'm trying.
I see.
What else can I do? I can't lift heavy things. I can't hike to the top of a volcano.
But you can
I
corrupt the youth.
I have to at least be useful.
Which is revolution. It was
Right.
even more important.
But Cinco de Mayo, the Battle of Puebla, we kicked Napoleon's ass. And it's also the start of summer.
Hoy por ser santo te las cantamos aquí. Despierta, bien. Mira que amaneció. Ya. Pájaros cantan, la luna ya se metió. Linda esta mañana en que vengo a saludarte. Venimos todos con gusto y placer a felicitarte.
Speak Spanish, and of course I speak Spanish.
Yeah, but I've taken 19 years.
Taken 19 years.
I started learning Spanish when you were in
diapers.
So you see that peak behind us? See that peak behind us? What peak is that?
Colima,
Nevado de
Volcano.
Colima.
Nevado de Colima, yeah. It's the snow-covered peak of Colima. And it's right on the border of Colima and Jalisco.
And it does have a little snow.
Yes.
Yeah, you might be able to see some little white spots. Maybe. That's snow.
We're going to have a snowball fight up there.
Yeah.
Not really.
Well, we'll see if Daisy can get into any snow because she's never been in the snow before. Yeah. So we'll see you soon. Bye.
See you soon. I got to warm this bike up. It's pretty chilly up here.
Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Packing the tennis shoes. We're gonna hike up the volcano now. Extra batteries for the action camera. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful majesty. Spectacular. About 12,000 feet now in elevation. About a little less than 4,000 meters.